Have you ever wondered how the building blocks of life were discovered? Imagine a world of microscopic units, each pulsating with life. These are cells, the foundation of existence. Their discovery revolutionized our understanding of life. The journey to the discovery of the cell is as fascinating as the cell itself. Our journey begins in the 17th century with an English scientist named Robert Hooke. Hooke's curiosity led him to a tool that was relatively new at that time, the microscope. Peering into this fantastic piece of technology, he observed a thin slice of cork. What he saw were tiny, box-like structures, much like the small rooms of a honeycomb. Struck by their resemblance, he named these structures cells, a term still used today. But Hooke wasn't the only one fascinated by this new microscopic world. Across the North Sea, in the Netherlands, Anton van Leeuwenhoek was making his own significant contributions. Leeuwenhoek refined the microscope and became the first person to observe living cells. He saw tiny organisms swimming in a drop of water, opening our eyes to the bustling world invisible to the naked eye. Hooke and Leeuwenhoek laid the groundwork for understanding the microscopic world of cells. Building upon these initial observations, the 19th century ushered in a new era of understanding, the cell theory. A series of breakthroughs by brilliant minds began to shape our knowledge about these fundamental building blocks of life. Let's start with a German botanist named Matthias Schleiden. In 1838, he looked at plants under a microscope and observed that all plant tissues are composed of cells. Around the same time, his compatriot Theodor Schwann, a zoologist, made a similar discovery in animal tissues. Their joint conclusion? All living things, whether flora or fauna, are composed of cells. Yet one question remained unanswered. Where do cells come from? Enter Rudolf Virchow, another German scientist. His observations, made in 1855, led him to propose that cells arise from pre-existing cells. This was a revolutionary concept, challenging the then prevalent belief in spontaneous generation. These findings coalesced into the cell theory, which has three main tenets. Firstly, all organisms are composed of one or more cells. Secondly, the cell is the basic unit of structure and organization in organisms. And thirdly, cells arise from pre-existing cells. This theory, simple yet profound, transformed our understanding of life. It has guided generations of scientists in their research, leading to countless advances in medicine, genetics, and biotechnology. These three principles form the cornerstone of modern biology. From the 19th century onward, the understanding of cells has expanded exponentially. The big game changer? The development of electron microscopy. This technology revolutionized cell biology, providing a window into the intricate world of cells like never before. It was like swapping out a blurry, distorted pair of glasses for a crystal-clear, high-definition vision. This newfound clarity led to the discovery of the cellular components that are vital for life as we know it. The nucleus, the command center of the cell, was discovered, housing our DNA and controlling the cell's activities. And then there are the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, producing the energy needed for everything we do. Let's not forget the endoplasmic reticulum, a network of tubules that manufacture, process, and transport chemical compounds for use inside and outside of the cell. These are just a few of the many components that work together in perfect harmony, making each cell a marvel of biological engineering. The discovery of the cell has paved the way for numerous breakthroughs in biology, medicine, and other fields. The more we learn about cells, the more we understand the complex tapestry of life.